Should we get a Five Guys drive-thru in a lorry? Is that the same truck in Clarkson's farm where they pick up their pigs? No, the Renault was older. That's the new Renault. But made the same company, I think. And here's Five Guys. Drive-thru does not look suitable. We've almost had enough space. We definitely can't come in here. That's for sure. Not pull, not push. I can order here. Milkshake. Oreos, biscuit, and whipped cream. £9. £9. No, we just want ketchup with that. No, not hot sauce. Ketchup. That's the order. What's the order? Give me my order. Yeah, that's fine. Check out. Not today. Let's do this one. 15.70. Lorry's still there. No one's kidnapped the lorry. Processing order. Number 115. And we just got a milkshake and burger. Now it's time to go. Bum, 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 bum. Now our truck's waiting for us. It would have been much easier if we'd gone for the drive-thru, but even if we had an 8-meter trailer, I don't think it's possible. This truck's mucky, man. It's mucky. Very mucky indeed. Look at all these ambulances. And then they put a lot of whipped cream in that. Now it's time to go.